Hi everyone, the TJ. I'm back. Of course, I haven't made too many YouTube videos, but when I get that itch, I'll be posting some videos on my channel. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned, because I never know when I might get that itch. I got my Galaxy Buds Pro, so I'm gonna do an unboxing on these Buds Pro. Now, the features on these Buds Pro are two-way speakers for rich sounds, active noise canceling, 5 to 18 hours of playtime. I repeat, 5 to 18 hours of playtime. I never had any earbuds that lasted 18 hours, but we're gonna give this a whiff. And the water resistance is IPX7. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's in it. Okay, this look like the instructions showing you how to put the earbuds in your ear properly. And of course, directions, and we do not use well, we don't need directions by this point, because everybody had some earbuds before. So anyways, let's put those to the side. There's nothing else in the top box. And yeah, I had jumped on the Samsung rebate deal on their website. I had got sent my old Galaxy Icon X back. They gave me $30 for them. I wasn't using them more, so I just sent them back. And yeah, these right here was like $199 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I think they was $199. Okay, here we go. This Samsung sounds by AKG. Let's open these things up. Wow, they look nice. Mystic Black, small. Once they pack a punch, I don't care how small they are. For $199, they gotta do their thing. So here they go. Those are the Samsung Buds Pros. And give you charging cable. No adapter. Everybody's trying to get away from the adapter. And some extra ear tips for small ears, medium-sized ears, large ears. Let's see if I get it open right now. I want to lose these, because these are important. But you never know how them things fit once you put them in your ear. Okay, so pull this out the way. Another shot of these things. And these are this charging case is wireless. So if any wireless charger, or you got laying around, or if your phone does reverse wireless charge, you could just throw that thing on and get some juice. Like if you're out and about and your earbuds are going low, if you're at the health club or whatever. But yeah, that's a good benefit of this these new wireless earbuds that they got going on now. But yeah, I'm gonna get back on another review after I wear these things for like a couple of weeks and get them the true test. So stay tuned. And like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, because like I said, whenever I get that itch, I just throw some videos up there, and hopefully everyone likes it, you know. And yeah. So, all right, peace out, everybody.